Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import or add custom fonts on CapCut PC. So all you have to do now is close your CapCut and you can open daphone.com and you can download your favorite, or you can search manually, or for example you can download recently added fonts. For example, this one, the Amsterdam, or this one, the Grand Casino. Here you can click download. So wait the download complete. Now you can open your downloaded file and try to decompress or extract the file. Wait the process and open the folder. And here, Grand Casino demo, you can double click and install the font here. Wait for the process. Now done. Now you can open your CapCut. You can create project or import your project. Here you can add tags. And here, for example, casino, and try to search your font in here. You can search manually. Grand Casino. Here, this is Grand Casino font that we downloaded before from daphone.com. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.